scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. A. Krypton ground state electron configuration, 1s squared, 2s squared, 2p to the 6th, 3s squared, 3p to the 6th, 4s squared, 3d to the 10th, 4p to the 6th. Has 37 protons versus 36 for Kr. The greater nuclear charge in Rb plus attracts the electrons more strongly, so the ion is smaller. C. 1. Average atomic mass equals 82.92 times 0.325 plus 84.92 times 0.508 plus 86.91 times 0.167 equals 84.60 AMU. 2. The average atomic mass of the remaining Rb increases because the lightest isotope, Rb83, decays to gaseous Rb83 and leaves, increasing the relative abundance of heavier Rb85 and Rb87. Kr has a larger radius than Rb plus because they're isoelectronic with Great job working through that. Remember to check each step and watch for sign errors. Practice more with Sovi to master this topic.